The Abarth 595 is a lively hot hatch that promises excitement with its punchy engine and distinctive exhaust. While it offers a thrilling ride, its handling isn't as refined as some rivals, and the driving position can be uncomfortable. Equipped with a 1.4-liter T-Jet engine, the Abarth 595 delivers 165 horsepower, reaching 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds. The 695 variant boosts power to 180 horsepower. Despite its small size, the exhaust is notably loud, adding to its character. Inside, the Abarth 595 features sporty touches like alloy pedals and a flat-bottomed steering wheel. However, the interior quality lags behind premium competitors with hard plastics and outdated tech. The driving position is awkward, lacking steering wheel adjustment. The front seats offer ample space, but the rear is cramped for adults. The boot is small, with limited access in convertible models. Folding the rear seats increases space, but creates an uneven surface. The Abarth 595 is competitively priced against the Mini Cooper S, offering decent equipment. Fuel economy is around 39 miles per gallon, but it depreciates faster than some rivals. Safety features are basic, lacking automatic emergency braking.